Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming basics: power, reliable Wi-Fi, and a simple budget. Once you have a router and one smartphone, prioritize 2-3 automations you need now. Buy a single inexpensive hub or plan to use your phone as a temporary controller. Make sure to inventory existing devices and check compatibility. This prevents wasted purchases. Then set up your Wi-Fi guest network and change default passwords so devices install securely and won't conflict during later scaling. Once the foundation is stable, expand room by room, starting with lighting and one smart plug plus a motion sensor. Choose local protocols like Zigbee or Z-Wave when possible to keep latency low and avoid monthly cloud fees. Integrate devices into one app or an affordable open-source hub so rules run locally. Make automation routines that combine time, geofence, and sensor triggers. This reduces manual work. Test each rule immediately and tweak delays or thresholds to avoid false activations. To finish, tidy up. Label devices, document names and rooms, and export or backup configuration files. Make sure your network is segmented. Guest SSID for EOT, main SSID for personal devices, and enable two-factor authentication on accounts. For reliability, schedule firmware updates during low-use hours. If something breaks, try a power cycle first, then repair the device, and only factory reset as a last resort. This preserves automations. Keep one troubleshooting tip handy. Check hub logs to pinpoint common failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.